मम्मी इधर आओ, let's leverage mummy. Let's leverage mummy.
Yeah.
She is my lovely mother. And what did she do? What is this? ये क्या है?
लिमड़े जड़ान
क्या करेंगे इसका?
खाना दातुन करेंगे, ब्रश करेंगे
Brush करेंगे इसका. What is she leveraging? She is leveraging the neem tree. She's gonna make this as a brush. She's leveraging. Rich versus poor. Is there some difference the way rich people use money and time and leverage? Is there a difference? Answer is in this video. You see, I was born in a poor family, got into middle class, working in a job for 16 years, and then I reached a place where I made more than 2 million within just this year in 2020. When I shared these ideas, some suggestions, some tips, it is coming from my real experiences. My thought process as a poor person was different, and the things that I did was different. My thought process as a middle class people, being in a job, was different than being in a rich class, becoming a millionaire is different.
Big round of applause for Dev Gadhvi!
Thank you. You are a dream student, Jasifu. Wow, thanks.
I was just gonna say that.
Round of applause.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Dev Gadhvi.
Well done. Well done.
All right.
In this video, I'm gonna break you. I'm gonna break few things for you, and I'll tell you how rich people think and how poor people think. The way they think and act are completely different, and this is the reason why rich becomes richer and richer and richer, and poor remains poor, or the best they go to middle class. So, number one element is time. The poor people have ample of time and they don't value time. The rich people, they always value time and they always find ways to make more time. You see, poor people trades time for money. Rich people spends money and gets time back. It's huge difference. Now, I understand you may not be the rich right now, but you need to start planting the seed that time is the most essential element. Right now, I'm sitting here in Jarpara at my sister's farmhouse. I can do what I want when I want. It's my life because I bought my time. Money gave me time. So this is the huge difference between poor and rich people. Number two, money. For poor, money is the only source which drives them. They keep chasing money, keep chasing money, keep chasing money. They'll do anything for money. The rich people, before even they became rich, they understood money is something which is what is not supposed to be chased. You should not chase money. You should focus on solving a problem, adding value to people. And if you do that enough, money will come looking for you. Success is not something that you should chase. Money is not something that you chase. Become worthy of it, and money and success will come to you. Rich people know how to make money from the money as well. The poor people, only thing they know is if they have money, they will save it for the rainy day. But the rich people, they invest and make more money and more time with that money. Leverage. You see, I bought this BMW and one of my nephew told me, brother, you are the first person in our whole relative chain, our family, that you're the first person who bought a BMW. Now here's the thing, leverage. Rich people understand the importance of leverage, and poor people gets leveraged by some other people. You see, the poor people will be used by other people as a stepping stone to build their life of their dreams. Rich people, they understand that there are resources that you can use and leverage to go to the next level. Now, of course, I'm not saying that you sell your house and buy the car, but I understood the money in the bank is not going to give me as much leverage as this BMW. Because now I'm being very honest with you. BMW is not just the comfort vehicle. It is not just the cost-effective vehicle. It is the vehicle which signifies the brand. It signifies the authority. It signifies something. and I leverage that brand. I leverage the authority. I leverage whatever I can to go to the next level. Question is, are you doing this? Or are you just keeping that money in your bank and putting in a saving versus using that money and leveraging into your life? So rich people know how to leverage the time, money, effort, people, tools, resources, everything. We are here in the farmhouse. We are still leveraging everything. And all my relatives behind the scene, they're quiet watching this to make sure that we finish these videos on time. Leverage the location, leverage the vacation, leverage the car, leverage everything, leverage the technology, leverage your brother, leverage your sister. What is it that you can leverage? Now, when I say leverage, it's not by being selfish. Leverage by genuinely adding value to people. There you go. I have one of my relatives coming in. Jai Mataji. You see, we are leveraging everything. This is all from today. If you want to learn more, leverage more. Mummy, idhar aao. Let's leverage mummy. Let's leverage mummy.
Yeah.
She is my lovely mother. And what did she do? What is this? ये क्या है?
लिमड़े जड़ान में
क्या करेंगे इसका?
खाना दातुन करेंगे, ब्रश करेंगे, ब्रश करेंगे.
Brush करेंगे इसका. What is she leveraging? She is leveraging the neem tree. She's gonna make this as a brush. She's leveraging. This is where you are, whatever place you are in, leverage all the resources. My mom also knows this. This is not scripted, but this is all natural. We are natural leveragers, okay? Thank you, Mummy.
Welcome.
I love you. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this button. And I highly recommend, if you want to leverage this, read the book 6 Sundays a Week Life. It is going to change your life. It is going to give you more tools and ammunition which you can leverage and build the life of your dreams. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.